Hey y'all, welcome back to the DIY Entrepreneurs channel. I'm so glad you decided to tune in with me today. Go ahead and hit that like button and become a subscriber to the channel if you're not already a subscriber. I would really appreciate that. Today I'm just going to go over some achievements that that has happened on the channel for this month, and I really wanted to take the time to do this because the month of June for me and my family has really been just taxing, and a lot of things have happened, and I wanted to make sure that I come back and I acknowledge the achievements of the channel. I wanted to acknowledge my journey and the things that we have accomplished, and I wanted to definitely give recognition to everyone who is deciding to join me on this journey and become a subscriber. But here are some numbers that we have hit this month. And so in the month of June, I actually obtained 500 subscribers, and I am so excited about that. I'm also kind of nervous, anxious. My mind has just been going about what new things I could bring to the channel, but also to make sure that I'm bringing content that 500 people, the 500 people that have subscribed to me, making sure that I'm responsible for bringing you guys content that will, one, entertain and also inform you guys. So thank you guys for trusting me with that. Another thing that has happened, I have gotten to 100,000 views on the channel. Thank you guys, and I appreciate every person that hit play, hit pause, hit comment, and all that good stuff. Another achievement for the month is 2,500 likes. Thank you for every like. Last but not least, 500 comments on the channel. Again, I appreciate every achievement. I appreciate every person that's joining me on this journey. It's been a year, and a year ago I was just anxious and nervous and just fearful of even coming in front of the camera. And look at it now. I have 100,000 views where people have clicked and watched little old me on this channel explaining some things to the best of my ability, and I thank you guys for joining me in this journey. Let's continue. I'm going to be looking for, again, I've been thinking about new content that I could bring. There are some other things. I'm investing in some tools, as you guys can see. I've subscribed to the Video IQ tool that'll help me to boost the channel and get it in front of new eyes and things like that. I'm going to also add giveaways each month, and so you're going to see giveaways. One of the giveaways that I know I will have are keychains. These are things that I make in my spare time, and I have keychains that will be some of the monthly gifts that I will be giving away. And so I'm just thankful for everything, and I'm thankful to each and every one of you guys. Now, something else happened this month that I was just so excited that I really couldn't give the dedicated time to really seeing it through and giving some attention to it. But I've actually interviewed a multimillionaire, you guys. Did y'all catch that interview? I had an interview with Mr. Seneca Hampton. He was a guest on the Shark Tank, and his product was Hampton Adams. And I have some items here. We have some items here, some Hampton Adams tape, athletic tape, and this is what I want to do for the first giveaway that I'm going to have. I want to give away some Hampton Adams athletic tape. So if you guys need some, make sure you comment, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe to the channel on that video. I'm going to go back at the end of July and look at that video, the interview that I did with Mr. Seneca Hampton. I'm going to put a card up here so that you can get to that video quickly. Go ahead and watch that video, comment, like the video, but that will be the giveaway. I'll announce the giveaway at the end of July for the Hampton Adams athletic tape. So make sure you guys go ahead and check that interview out, okay? And again, thank you guys so much for every like, every comment, every view. I really appreciate it. And for this second half, I want to bring you guys more content. So let me know what that content can be. And thank you guys for all the feedback. I really appreciate it. It's probably went longer than I wanted it to go. But again, thank you guys, and I appreciate it. All right. Make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you become a subscriber if you like my content so far. And make sure you check us out for the next ones.